If you are looking to sort text and numbers alphabetically and numerically in Word, then how you can do that? You can see that I have a table here, and in that you can see I have text and numbers in this table. So how you can do that? First you need to select the table. So first you need to select the table and go to the home tab, and here you can see that the sort icon. Click on that, and here the first option is if you want to sort with name or the marks of 10. So first I am doing that marks of 10, and the type is the number, and using the paragraph techniques, and you are using ascending or descending option. So first I am ascending. Click on that, and then you want to sort with the name or roll number. So you can select, I am selecting the name, and this is the text, and click on the ascending as well. And the third option is you want to put the roll number, and this is the number, and using the paragraph as well. And you want to ascending as well. Click on that, and now you can see that the first option was the marks of 10. These are the ascending numbers, and 210, and the name was Saima, and the roll number was 35212. So these are the basically ascending orders, and if you want to convert it descending order, then again select the table and go to the home, and again go to the this option, and now click on descending, and name you want to, okay, this is ascending, and roll number you want to descending as well. Click on okay, and now you can see that the highest marks is on the top of the row. Then simultaneously you can see the numbers are descending orders. So in this way you can sort text and numbers alphabetically and numerically in MS Word. So I hope you understand the process, and if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for